What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Tonic fam, Crow fam. Back with another Tonic video for you guys, man. $35 million in market cap for Tonic, 43k in 24-hour trade volume. I saw the Tonic Twitter, official Twitter, just put out some recent tweets. What's super great is that almost half of the supply is circulating, man. So the FDV is pretty much just 2x from here, getting closer and closer to that FDV. But I know it's gonna take time for them to do that with slower emissions, which is not gonna affect the price as much. But Tonic has just, I know a lot of people they lose their patience. They lose their patience. But a lot of people that got into crypto in 2017, 2018, they bought around the 2019, 2020 time. And then boom, 1 year later is when everything changed, guys. So this is what when it comes to projects like this, you look at these as serious investments. You don't look at these as projects that will give you insane pumps as soon as you buy. No, you'll have to buy, hold, and just wait until the market turns around or catalyst happens for the project, guys. So almost 31,000 people on the watch list for Tonic. And there's people that consistently are bullish. Now obviously there's a few bears, but there's people that are consistently bullish on Tonic. It is a great DeFi project. They still need those exchange listings because this is the thing, every project I know of is getting listed on Mexi Global, Gate.io, Bitmart, you name it. Even if they start off with some low tier exchange listings, that'll be great for the project. I know the team is adding projects to their ecosystem. It would be great if they get some centralized exchange. No tier ones needed right away, but just some smaller centralized exchanges will be great. And we can see right here 63.2k followers on Twitter. This is what I saw recently. A new solution to repay your debt is coming. Leverage management tools coming soon for Tonic. Leverage management tool. Tectonic offers leverage management tools in order to cater to a broader risk profile or investment criteria, all while enabling users to complete transactions in a single click. We aim to make it easier for users to execute their investment views using Tectonic, which ultimately should help increase borrowing and hence increase protocol revenue. These tools are made possible with an addition of deferred liquidity check function at a high level. This deferred liquidity check function will allow us to compile multiple actions in a sequence and defer the liquidity check until the very end. This function is required because certain actions taking out an uncollateralized loan within that sequence may be feasible on its own. At the end of the day, bundling set of actions together would result in the same desired outcome, while ensuring that a user's account position is maintained at a healthy level. Currently, the two tools to offer in this leverage management series are Repay with Collateral Swap. Note, at launch, VVS Finance will be the only integrated DEX. In the future, we'll be working to offer more DEX/aggregators. The leverage management tools are only applicable for the main pool. We will consider opening up these tools to other isolated pools at a later period. So this is super bullish stuff that I tell you guys, the Tonic team keeps working and developing. This is what you call a use case utility DeFi project. This is not a meme coin. I know I cover meme coins on the channel now and all kinds of different projects, but this is one of those use case utility projects that you can't fade. You can't ignore a project like this because of how much the team is building and what they're offering, guys. So going into like I say, more catalysts happen for the project, going into a bullish market, a bull run market. We could see this project absolutely crush it, 10x to 100x. I wouldn't rule it out. We saw Pepe. I know a lot of you guys saw what Pepe did in 2 weeks, went to $1 billion in market cap. That just goes to show how easily projects could move. Now, this is the thing. What would take Tectonic to that next level is the development of Crow. Crow being what? Crow as in Kronos, the web crypto.com, the website, you know, the platform, the brand, the centralized exchange. Chronos exploding would lead to Tonic exploding. Tectonic, because of all the zeros, is pretty much like the meme coin. the like, I was, you know, I don't want to say, because obviously it's a use case project, a utility project, but because of all the zeros in the retail investor's mind, they think this is a meme coin, and you know, it could eat 3 zeros, it could eat 5 zeros, you know, from this amount of zeros to $1, right? And that is possible. In the future, it could get to like 1 cent per tonic, or 001, 2 zeros 1, right? 0.001. It could do that, right? But in the retail investor's mind, they're thinking, wow, so many zeros, I could put $50 here and become super rich, right? So as crypto.com develops, the retail investor will see Tonic, and I think they will love it. But that's one case in point why the Tonic could explode. Another case in point is institutional investors finding out about the project, and you know, maybe crypto.com, for example, taking a lot of their own assets and pushing Tonic as well to like the top, you know, top stock market, you know, those type of institutional top investors as well. That's another case in point. But the team for Tonic always developing, always pushing. You know, they have been doing a lot more tweets. So you can now repay your loans using your deposited collateral in just a single transaction. Interested in how this works, check out the Git book here. What other leverage management tool would you like us to add? Let us know in the comments. Drop a message in Telegram and Discord. So they have been developing consistently, man. They have been developing consistently, and you guys can't, like, this is what you want to see from an altcoin use case project, a project that just keeps pushing, keeps working. And as long as the community grows, we see more bullish markets. Crypto.com, Crow itself, that brand becomes bigger, Tonic will follow, right? Like I said in many of my other videos. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Leverage management tools coming soon. Super bullish stuff from the Tonic team, and appreciate all the support, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.